we are going to design the chess and its part. So from here, first step is to click on model for type modeling and make it okay from here. Now we have to select the sketch, means on which plane we are going to work. You can select the XY plane, XZ or even YZ. So from here, click on this sketch. Now select the plane or face of plane. Click on this XZ plane and make it okay from here. Now what we have to do is to create a 2D profile. So from here, go on profile command. Taking this as a first point, let's create a line of length 15 in length and make the angle of 180 like this one. Okay, now go up with the length of 3 from here and make it 90. Go right with the length of 2 and angle 0, and go up with the length of 2 and angle 90. Now we have to join these two diagonal lines. Okay, let's cancel the command and make the quick trim of the extra lines because we need a diagonal line from here. So let's quick trim first. Okay, now what we have to do is to use an arc command because we need an arc from here. Create an arc, take the dimension like this one and give the radius of 6 like this one. Okay, now we can see it is not 6, it is 10.3. Yeah, from here we can say. So double click on this and let's make it 6 like this one. Okay, so now what we have to do is to do the rapid dimensioning of this arc. So from here, select the first line of this arc and then the last point of the arc. This distance should be of 8.97. So let's recorrect it and make it 8.97. Make it 8.97 like this one. Now what we have to do is to do the rapid dimensioning of this arc. Right click on this and from here select on from list. You will get a tangent point. So take a tangent point and then taking this as a center, and this distance would be of 14. So from here make it to 14 like this one. Now let's cancel the command from here. Now again go on line command. Taking this as a point, create a line of length 1 and angle should be of 90. Now what we have to do is to again go on the arc command and then starting with this, first create an arc of radius 2. So take any point here and make it to 2. Let's take the closer one like this one. Now again we have to do the rapid dimensioning of this arc. So from here go on rapid dimensioning. First make this point and the end point of this arc like this one. This distance would be of 2. So from here make it to 2. Let's recorrect it and make it 2 like this one. Now again we have to make the horizontal distance and that should be of, okay, so select the end point of the arc and then select the starting point, this one. This distance should be of 10. So from here let's make it to 10. It is 15. Okay, it is exactly 10, so no need to change that. Now again select from here, select an object here, then select again the endpoint of this like this one, and this distance will be of 8. Let's check out it is 8 or not. It is 8. Okay, no problem, it is exactly 8. So let's control Z and make the distance. I have shown you for checking that the distance are accurate. Okay, because we just have changed these two and all the three dimensions has been changed automatically. So now what we have to do is to create an arc. First let's zoom in like this one. Let's make it pan. Okay, so again from here go to arc command, take the endpoint from here, first point, and let's tag the endpoint. Okay, like this one. We need an diameter radius of 45. So from here make it to 45 with the nearer one. Okay, like this one. Let's cancel the one. Now what we have to do is to rapid dimensioning of this. So first we have to do is to do the rapid dimensioning in vertical way. That should be of 331.02. So from here take the first point, take the end point of the arc, and this should be of 31.02. Make it to 31.02. Let's again do that like this one. Pan it a little more. Now we have to do the rapid dimensioning again. So from here go to rapid dimensioning. We have left with the horizontal one. So taking this as a point and the last point of this. The distance would be of 7.5. Let's check it out what it is. It is 5.3. It should be of 7.5. Let's make it 7.5 like this one. Okay. Now, so again taking a line from here, first create a line at the two distance and make the angle of 90 like this one. Let me zoom so you can see it easily. Let's drag it down and let's, if you don't want this dimension from here, go to this and then continuous, stop the continuous auto dimensioning, so you will not get any dimensions shown on the screen. Okay, so from here, now what we have to do is to create a circle of radius 2, means the diameter should be of 4. So from this point, let's create a diameter of 4 like this one. Now let's quick trim the extra portion. You can get the trim from here. Okay, okay, not we have don't have to complete the full. Let's control Z it. We need to have first complete this line. From here, let's drag it. Now what we have to, let's again do, make the quick extend of the line. E. Select this line and make it quick extend like this one. Now we have to do the quick trim of the line. Trim this one and then trim this line also like this one. Now what we have to do, the distance between this point, let's see here, let's see it is happening or not. Do the rapid dimensioning, select the point on the right click, select from list tangent point. Okay, let's take this point and the distance would be of 10. Let's see how much it is, 9.5. So we have to make it 10. Let's see, is it, will it be okay, close where the point, okay, these 2 points got dismissed, so let's control Z it. No problem, we can work with 9.5. Okay, now like this you can see the half of the diagram has been created. We are going to create two more surfaces, then the 2D drawing will be completed. So let's zoom it out again and let's take that downwards. Okay, so now again go to arc command from here, taking this as a first point, and from here take any point like this one. We have to create a radius of 20, so from here make it 20 and drag it closer one like this one. Let's cancel the command from here. So again go to rapid dimensioning. First we will do the rapid dimensioning the vertical way. So from here select this line and then select the endpoint from here arc like this one. Don't select the circle endpoint, otherwise it will take the rapid dimensioning between these two lines. Okay, so from here make this to 19.06, make it to 19.06 like this one. Okay, it gone in the higher way. Let's see where it is, the okay, like this. Now what we have to do is to first make it fit so you can get the whole drawing. Again go to rapid dimensioning, taking the endpoint of the arc and taking this point, we need it to 17 divided by 2 in the horizontal. How much it is? We need it 17 divided by 2, means how much it should be. Let's check it out. 17 divided by 2. Let me change the language. Okay, it should be 17 divided by 2. Let's check it out what happened. Zoom it. Okay, like this one. Now what we have to do is to first from here, let's take the dimensioning of 4. From here take the dimension of length line, make it to 2, no problem, let's make it out to, and angle should be 0. From here let's do with the circle command, From here select this point and make a diameter of 4. Let's see what is happening. It's gone in the wrong way. No problem, we can do it the well help of the, no, we need the diamond line of 5, so let's make double click and make it 2.5. That is the only problem I think. Otherwise you can make with the help of the arc also. I am taking the help of the circle. So from here let's make it with the circle. If it work, no problem. If it doesn't, we can easily do it with the arc command. Okay, so from here make it to 4. Let's see what happened now. Okay, not happening perfectly. I think let's do it with the arc command. Okay, let's control Z both line. From here again do the control Z. Now go on arc command. We are going to design the last from here and create any point here. Make the diameter of 5 from here. Make the diameter radius of 5 means it should be of 2.5. 2.5. Make it 2.5. Okay, now to do the rapid dimensioning first. First from here click on any point. This should be your 2.5. From here make it to radial. Let's check it out. It is 39. Okay, make it to 5. Let's see what is happening with the 5. Okay, like this one. Now we have to do the rapid dimensioning, the vertical and both the horizontal. Okay, so from here let's check it out. Again make it to infrared, taking the first point, taking the end point of the arc like this one. The distance would be of 4. The horizontal, no, means the vertical one. Okay, it is taking the horizontal. Okay, like this one. It is 2.1. Make it to 4. From here make it to 4 like this one. Let's control Z again. It gone something wrong. So leaving an arc again, we can do it with the help of the profile or the line command. So from here let's take it with the length of 2, make it to 0. Okay, last time we are making a mistake that we were taking both opposites, tool in the line and the length. Now we have to make the diameter of 5 from here. Now it will take an accurate. Let's quick trim the extra portion first. Make the quick extent of the center line so it can cover whole half of the circle like this one. Now quick trim, select this line, select this line, and let's check it out what is necessary. This one. Okay, like this one. Let's zoom it out something. This one. From here take the line. Okay, let's take it to anyone like this one. Okay, now what we have to do is to make the this line as convert into the reference. From here right click and make it to reference. Okay, now make the finish sketch. We can see drawing has been half completed like this one. So we have to do half of the part has been completed. So now what we have to do is to revolve this surface. So from here select the curve, select this curve, any curve due to connected curve, our curves are connected, specify the vector. So take this z axis and any point on this line you will get like this one, and let's revolve around this, make it 360 and make it okay from here. Now we can see the bishop has been completed like this one. Now let's render it, make it true setting from here. Okay, now we can see the first part has been easily created, that is a piece of. So let's save this file and then we will work with the second part of the Yes. Thank you.